Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. If you don't eat meat, that's okay. We'll make you lamb. Today we are making some lamb chops with a peach balsamic glaze. Now for this recipe you will need some extra virgin olive oil, but for our glaze that we're doing with this, you need our Peach White Balsamic vinegar. It's my favorite balsamic. Also, you will need our sesame oil, which comes right from Japan and made in small batches. This is just going to make an amazing glaze for us. For our lamb this evening, I went to a new spot open in Brantford. They've only been open a month. It's called Emann Grocers, which is kind of over by the Shoppers Drug Mart in that plaza. If you're looking at it, the far right-hand corner used to be a karate dojo, and they had some amazing lamb that I've been told about. So our lamb I have here. First thing we're going to do with this is put some salt and pepper on this and get ready to sear. Now remember guys, for all ingredients and amounts, please head on over to our website. That's where this recipe is posted. And now we will get to searing our lamb chops. Now first what you want to do is make sure your oil is nice and hot in your pan. Once it is, it doesn't take long to sear these, so let's do these about 30 seconds aside. Alright, 30 seconds, and then we'll do our flip. After the sear, we're just going to take these and let them sit off to the side. Alright, so we've turned it down to low, medium low, and we're throwing in some garlic. Gonna let this cook for a little bit. Now that our garlic is fragrant, we are adding some honey to this. We're also adding our peach balsamic. Sure I get everything here so the garlic doesn't burn. Our side is ready. And along with this, we are adding some soy sauce. And then we are adding our chicken stock. This another stir. We're also adding just a little bit of sesame oil. Now for this, we are bringing this to a boil, so keep an eye on it. As you can see, it's just starting to turn into a nice glaze. So at this point, we are adding our meat back to the pan. We are going to let these cook for about 6 to 7 minutes aside. As you can see, this glaze is coloring these up nicely. These are pretty much done and ready to go, so let's get it plated up. Oh, this looks and smells absolutely delicious. I love peaches, as you know. The glaze is just, I got a little bit on my finger earlier and it is amazing. Let's try it with our lamb. Let's see what I can... Still nice and tender. Get of that glaze on that. If you think it's odd that the sesame oil is in that, it is absolutely delicious with the peach. It just gives it a nice umami factor. These lamb chops are so awesome, guys. I hope you liked this recipe and this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. If you haven't noticed yet, there is a new grocery store in Brantford. Should I say grocer or grocery? Now please remember, guys, for all ingredients and